Okay, friends, students, I'm going to show you for our assignment on Everfi.com. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to get onto Everfi.com and complete our assignment for our class. So the first thing you want to do is go to Everfi.com. You can do this on your iPad. It's going to look different, of course, on your iPad than it will on my computer, my laptop, but it's pretty much the same uh, uh, portal you'll be looking at. So you're going to go to everfi.com on your iPad, everfi.com. Once you go ahead and put that in there, you're going to see this screen. It look a bit different, but make sure you look for the student teacher login, this section right here. Of course, you're a student, so you're going to go ahead and click on that link right there. Once you click on that link, you're going to go to a sign-in page, right? And I already gave you the registration code. Go ahead and look for the register in the bottom because you need to register. So go ahead and click on the registration code uh, part. After you click on the registration code, go ahead and put in your registration code that I gave you and click next. And then you're going to fill out your name, your email address, and the rest of this part here. Now, go ahead and put your month, day, and year that you were born. Now, for your username, go ahead and put your lunch number in at fcstu.org. So just put your lunch number in, whatever your lunch number is, at fcstu.org. And then your password, you can make your password, it must contain at least 6 characters, and it has to contain at least one special character or number. Right? So you can even do your birth date. So whatever your birth date is, you say you're born in September, let's say 17th, 2009. You can put that in and put that in twice. Okay. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and you hit next after you finish typing it in twice and fill all this information out. Go ahead and log in, and you're gonna get to our class, and you'll be able to see our class course. And the course is going to be on Future Smart. We'll be doing basically be doing finance. So you're going to complete the mayor assignment, then you're going to move on to shopping, and you're going to complete all the modules. I would suggest that you do one module a day until you get done. Okay? So you'll be working on Mass Mutual, Future Smart. You'll start the mayor, then you'll do smart shopping, ways to pay, investing in you, growing a business, your financial future, and then lastly, you'll do build your blueprint. Once you've completed all these modules, then you'll be done Future Smart. And go ahead after you finish it, you can retake the quizzes if you want. If you didn't pass a test or a quiz, you can take it again. Make sure you have all your quizzes with a 70 grade or higher, right? So I would suggest you do one module per day, right? All right. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always chat me or post a comment in Microsoft Teams.